Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread with oats. First, gather your ingredients, including 3 to 4 ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of oats, and 1 cup of flour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mash your ripe bananas until they are smooth. Then, add 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing well to combine these wet ingredients. Now, in a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, stir in 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough loaf. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Place the pan into your preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures a perfect texture. Your delicious oat banana bread is now ready to enjoy. For extra flavor, consider adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips or chopped walnuts to the batter next time. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.